replacing a broken antenna on this $400 router. There's 8 antennas on this router, but one of them is broken. This is how the broken antenna looks like. We can try to glue the antenna or maybe put some tape in there, but a replacement part can be found online for around $25 plus tax, and that's what we did. We ordered a new replacement antenna. So let's take a look at the replacement antenna we received today from eBay. One of the major advantages of buying a router that has detachable antennas is that it is easy to replace them. Like I said before, you can find these antennas on the web. Some sellers from China, some sellers from the USA. This is the replacement antenna. Okay, let's compare it with the broken antenna. They are identical. Now let's try to install the new antenna. It should be easy. Now we have a fully working router. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.